Hey guys, and welcome to this channel. Please subscribe our channel to give me energy. 6 minus 6 times 6 minus 6 in parentheses. So 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. Now 6 minus 6 is equals to 0. Now we have 0 times 0. That this answer is 0, but the final answer is not correct. According to the rules of mathematics PEMDAS, we have to solve this math expression in this way. First, parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and then addition or subtraction. According to this rule, in first step, we have one parenthesis that we have to solve it first. So 6 minus 6 gives us 0. Now, let's rewrite the expression. We have 6 minus 6. We have one multiplication here and 0. Now, according to the PEMDAS, multiplication has a higher priority than the subtraction. So we have to solve this multiplication first. So 6 times 0 gives us 0. Now we have 6 minus 0. That this expression is equals to 6. The final answer is 6. So please subscribe and like this video if you like it, and please subscribe our channel to give me energy to continue.